project?
You
This
know?
one.
Yeah.
You know?
Here.
When I will make full time.
Unang pasyente, patayan.
Don't like this. Oh.
First patient, die already. Quickly died.
See, I don't know what this one is. Properly, huh?
Yeah.
I forget.
Here. Okay, I hold for you. Here the heartbeat. Yeah, the pulse. You hear? The I have. Maybe I don't have more.
You don't have to break.
Too much breakup.
It's happened. It's life.
Yeah, that's why. Maybe I don't have heart now.
Yeah, see, I didn't hear this. What I? This one where?
Crazy. Wala. Oh my god. Are you serious?
Yeah. Wait, maybe this one not tight. One time again. Office one.
Kiss this one.
This one correct position?
Yeah. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Maybe because my arms is here. Find the pulse.
My ear not working.
I have pulse or maybe your ear is not working. What is the problem? I don't have heart pulse. Maybe fresh way, yeah, like that. Little. I'm not alien, I'm not trouble, I'm human. I know I have heart.
You check first.
Oh, okay, wala na yata akong puso. I don't have heart na, bes. Okay, let me check. Again, what happened to you, Habibti? Why you not find my heart pulse? Wala daw akong heart pulse, B. I don't have heart pulse, Habibti. Ano nangyari sa akin? What happened to me? Why I don't have heart pulse? My God, my nose is dry. Not my, ano.
Dito lang tayo sa region.
Yes.
Wala eh.
Temperature ba yung temperature, be?
Hindi pa nga eh. Yung na namin ito. Babe, pasuyo naman ako dito. Sinisipon na kami dito, di namin mahahanap.
Wala na sanitizer. Walang sanitizer.
Sinisipon yun, ano yun, yung nurse. Ay, sorry.
Last pipit ng puso.
Jerry, ipapirma mo na yung sir mo.
Ano mo, screenshot mo.
I find yours.
Para meron
See?
na.
I find yours, but then my heart pulse you not find.
Oo, pwede kang pumasok kay Mr. Romeo.
Kasi last pumasok ko kasi
Oo. Kasi mahirap ang schedule.
Maybe this one not working.
Yeah, maybe that is this. God. Cannot hear.
i-send ko. Again, i-send ko sa'yo.
We are not human beings.
Ah,
Hindi. Sa'yo yun. Copy mo yun. I-send ko sa'yo ang
it's not working.
Pwede ko sanitizer.
Thank you. Friends, bigyan mo akong Google Drive.
Be, hindi siya hindi siya gumagana.
Pero dati lang
Hindi siya gumagana.
Oo.
Iganon mo muna, be.
Tingnan mo kung
Ilagay mo sa tingnan mo, tapos iganon mo.
or gamit ka ng ibang
Wala.
Kasi nung dati
Pag ganyan
nag-set
sira
ko
yan.
sa CG. Pero check ulit lang din.
Malakas siya pa.
Not working. Ma'am, we cannot hear the phone.
Yun nga.
Baliktad.
First na ano.
Ha?
Kung saan siya
baliktad yung ano, ganun o. Hindi, kapag ganun.
Taganto.
Yan.
doon ang humihina na taas na pulso. Yun ang
Baliktad ka na.
So yun sa'yo is
Ano?
ikaw mo ba na? Ay, ikaw na lang siguro.
110 by 90. Kaya pinigilan ko siya.
Ano na ba yun? Nakita lang i-search.
We don't have heart.
80?
Or next, we cannot hurt anyone.
Mag-send ako ng panibagong ano.
We cannot feel hurt anyone.
Ulitin mo sa akin. Bye.
Ah, hindi. I still have.
88.
Be careful. Because they will hurt you.
Seconds or 1 minute? Suppose yung kanina.
Maybe this one wrong. Wrong way. That's why. Try this hand.
Maybe the other side.
Hey, before I hear this one.
Yeah, how nice this one?
This one not working.
Ano yung second?
Oh, here, I hear.
What happened to you again? Maybe do a little up.
Di pa. Stop.
Is it right place? Here or here?
Any hand. This one. This one right, this one left.
It's okay.
Grabe naman.
Remove this.
This was just for fun.
1 hour, heart pulse. What happened to our patient?
Hey, before I hear this one.
Yeah, how nice this one?
This one not working.
Ano yung second?
Oh, here, I hear.
What happened to you again? Maybe do a little up.
Di pa. Stop.
Is it right place? Here or here?
Any hand. This one. This one right, this one left.
It's okay.
Grabe naman.
Remove this.
This was just for fun.
1 hour, heart pulse. What happened to our patient? Dying.
Patient will go in coma.
1 hour before it.
Tight. Make it tight.
Yeah.
Still not tight. This one too much. No, that's fine. It's a loser. It must be tight. Little tight.
Oh my god, you're tight? You're tight?
It must be tight. Huh?
You need to be free.
Teka lang,
Kasi ang respiration pa ganun pa ganun.
Is it right?
Teka, malinis ko na ito dito pala.
Here, that side.
Nalagay ko dito.
Oh my god. First patient, comatose. 1 hour before we find the heart.
They finish already. No?
Sorry po. Tapos pulse rate ito eh.
Pulse rate ko ilan? 36?